So let's check out the amenities of banyan tree here in Singapore. Oh, nauhaw na kayo. Si Buntis, oh, look at that. Oh, Buntis, i-profile mo yung chan mo. Oh my God, that's 6 months, di ba?
Yes,
Wow.
6.5.
6.5. Still traveling, huh? And this is the infinity pool of MANDAI Rainforest. So if you're coming here, make sure you have your kids with you, because they have here the Singapore Zoo. That's why during breakfast we enjoy the breakfast in the wild. Yes, this place is for children. My first time to enter into a banyan tree. Now, it's a family resort. And that's Buntis taking photographs. Buntis, anong tawag mo dyan? Swamp? Is that a swamp?
Swamp? I'm not sure if it's a swamp, Papa.
It's not a swamp. It's not a river. I think it's a swamp eh. Hindi naman pwedeng river yan. Hindi naman pwedeng lake. Kasi kung lake, dapat ano yan eh, patungo sa dagat. So I think it's a swamp. Marami siguro ano dyan, no? Seafoods. Yeah, I guess it's a swamp. Yeah, kids are really enjoying it. Huh? Look at that. Kids with the mother. Right, so let's go around the poolside. Talaga, oh. Mga bata, they're really enjoying their swimming here. Look at that. He's even running. Oh, yes, banyan tree for the kids. Oh, saan tayo pupunta ngayon, Buntis?
We're going to the tree houses.
Tree houses?
Yes.
Okay. But nasa si Evan?
Sa kwarto.
Sa kwarto. But this is a nice view here. Ganda, oh. Surrounded by rainforest, itong banyan tree. Together with the swamp. Ganda naman siya. Oh, yung elevator na, oh. May view yung elevator, Mama Berna. Oh. We're going now
To the tree house.
to the tree houses. Okay, follow you. Okay, so this is on the way to the tree houses. This is the MANDAI Resort Rainforest. Ganda rin siya. Open lahat, oh. Kaya ibig sabihin ng MANDAI. Ayan, isang buong family, oh. Okay, before going to the tree house, we're visiting the room of Evan. So this is Evan's room?
Yes.
Oh, it's a nice room.
But John's in the toilet, so we can't
John is
see
in the toilet. There's little Evan. May view rin to. Oh, what a nice view. Busy si Evan, oh. Busy si Evan. Nice view, Mama Berna.
Our view are the tree houses.
Wow. Ah, the tree houses. So, yan pala yung mga tree houses. Can I see, Berna?
Yeah.
So, we're going to the tree houses. Ayan pala yung mga view ng tree houses. Okay. Siguro mas expensive itong mga tree houses na to, no?
Times 3 or times 4.
Times 3, times 4 pa? Oh, wow. Sige, let's take a look. So, we are on the way, supposedly, to the tree houses. Ang ganda naman. Oh, are we on the right? Are we on the right place? Madaming nature walk itong resort na to. Bagay na bagay sa pangalang banyan tree. Claud, I think these are the tree houses also, no? Huh? Oh, alright. Ito pala yung mga tree houses. Ayan din. Tree house din yan, no? Ang galing naman. Pero yung kanyang anong tawag doon? Yung kanyang base. It's a poste, hindi naman tree. But it's called a tree house. Quite nice. Very creative, huh? And these are very expensive. How does it look at the bottom? Yan, ganyan pala. We cannot see the inside of the tree house, no? Ang dami palang tree house dito. All right. Quite unique, huh? How much are they?
I want it around 60,000.
Wow, mahal. 60,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ang ganda ng view.
Of course.
Bakit
that's what you
meron?
pay for.
Hindi, ba't yung iba yung walang view? No? Yung iba walang view. Ito may magandang view. Pero yung iba walang view.
Let's go downstairs. Meron
Oh.
kasi nakalabas eh. Naka-drop out.
Ang ganda ng roof nitong tree house. Parang egg.
Pero meron yun sa picture.
Nice. Imagine, you wake up early in the morning having coffee, oh. You have a view of a very nice swamp. Di ba, Berna, Baron? O, kunan kita na picture, Berna. Diyan ka lang. Oh, yan. Picture. Smile. Okay, ganda. What are you seeing there, Berna? Claude? Uy, it's a swimming pool. It's a private swimming pool. Oh my God, for the tree houses. Galing naman, oh. Hindi lang tayo makapasok. Oh, meron siyang ano doon, oh. Lounging beds. Sayang, hindi tayo makapasok. Wow, look at this. Nice. And that's a very nice balcony of a tree house. Ganda. Ganda ng tree house dito. No wonder, sobrang mahal. Wala nga lang siyang swimming pool. If they want to go swimming, they come here. Dito. But sila lang ang may susi. Kami wala kasi wala kami sa tree house. There's more tree house on top. Ang dami palang tree house dito. So many. Compared to our regular room. Yan ang mga regular rooms. Yes, those are the regular rooms. Much cheaper. Nice architecture of the tree houses here in MANDAI Rainforest. Very nice tree houses here. Huh? Well, those are the regular rooms, but the tree house is much better. With the size of this resort, you can take a buggy, and it's free. The tree houses and the regular rooms here at the MANDAI Rainforest. Really looks like a tree house built on stilts using concrete. Another tree house here. Massive din tong resort dito sa banyan tree. Well, like what I said, ito yung first banyan tree na for children, Mama Berna. For children. Kasi nga meron siyang Singapore Zoo. Hindi tulad ng ibang banyan tree, exclusive sa mga adults. Pero okay naman siya. Ganda rin siya. Quite expensive though. Wow. Nice architecture of this banyan tree. Quite far from the city, but you can always relax from the shopping. It's about, I would say, about 30 minutes away from the city proper. Not so bad. So after walking, it's time to take a drink here at the planter's shed. Uy, hindi tayo kaya kasakit dito. Lamig ganda. Ganda nitong planter shed. Oh, nice. They must be preparing for what is it? Are you preparing for buffet lunch?
No, just lunch. We just finished the
Oh, okay.
breakfast.
Oh, you just finished buffet breakfast. Yeah, you can have breakfast here, or you can have breakfast at the zoo. You can choose which breakfast you like. My beautiful daughter with my beautiful wife. Oh, I'll take your picture, Kate. Dalawa. Both of them are so beautiful. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, give a smile. Okay. Oh, that's my ginger beer, huh? Oh, nice. Thank you. Ganda. Ganda nitong lugar na to. Oh, si Buntis. Oh, look at your bulging tummy, Buntis. Huh? And what are you having, Mama Berna?
Yes. Okay.
What are you having?
Wine.
Oh, wow. Aga naman ng wine mo. Sobrang aga. Ha? Oh, hindi pa siya nagpo-pour. Nice experience here at the ano pangalan? Mandai. Thank you. Okay, before you talk, let's have a cheers.
Iba yung klase ng
Let's have a cheers, Buntis. Okay,
Iba
Mama.
yung klase ng niya.
Okay, cheers, Mama. Okay.
Iba yung klase ng niya ng cooking niya.